play it. We're doing the mic, guys. We're gonna play this one. Ito, kuya.
Hey guys, this is
We'll use that triangle.
yeah.
It shows what shapes it can attack the most. In zero, this means it doesn't attack that shape, so it's not good. It's weak. It's weak. About this, can we use this?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll use
Guys, this is our video.
We'll use this too.
We use our video. Do you like this video? We like
Yeah. Watch how we play this on our next video.
yeah.
Sige, cool. Okay ka na sa 3 in 1. Kaya dugoy yung katulog.
Yeah. But don't forget about
Ako na.
this.
Stick lang ako. Arang-arang pa. Makakuhan pa ko. Kung makatulog ko na yun, okay ra. Pero kanang di pa ka matulog ba? Ano mag-inom ko 3 in 1? Lugay yung katulog. Apaw ka laon.
Guys, this is the video.
This is the video. We're gonna use it. The Diamond Tower.
Harry.
Yeah, you sound here too. You talk. Dali. We're gonna use it to attack the shapes.
Hey guys, wait, don't forget about to hit the like button and the subscribe
Oh
button.
no, the escape. Where is that? Escape. Oh no.
Don't forget about to hit the like
So
button.
fast.
Don't forget about to hit the like button, guys.
Yeah. Oh
And
no, where are they? You're gonna escape. Oh,
No,
we're
guys.
losing. We have to
Guys.
recheck our strategy, guys. We'll be back.